Talking of tropical, I've got the minibar next to me. If I open the door, will you hear it? Apparently if you put cold things on your pulse points, that's the best way to cool down. If you're like me and you're sweating, that's what I do. I run my wrists under a cold tap and it sorts me out. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another haul for you, and today's haul is going to be a men's summer sales haul. I'm not in my usual spot today on the sofa at home. I am coming to you from Dakar in Senegal. You may remember on Monday I was in Belgium and then I came back to London and I thought I had a couple of days at home. But it turns out that I was actually due to fly the following day, and I didn't realise that until I think it was 11:30 the night before I had a message reminding me. So it was panic stations. You know that scene in Home Alone where they forget to set the alarm? And they've all got to pack really quickly. Yeah, it wasn't a fun night. I didn't really sleep very much, but I managed to make the flight the next morning, and so now I'm here and I've been working. So yeah, how are you guys? I hope you've had a really good week, whatever you're up to, and I hope you've got a nice Sunday planned ahead of you, whatever you're up to today. I had planned to film a few videos for you on the day that I thought I was going to be at home, but as that went out of the window, I slung my shopping bag into the suitcase, and we'll just have to make do here, so I hope that's all right. So as you can see, and you may have seen in the Belgium vlog, I popped into H&M. They've got a brilliant sale on. I love H&M sales, I can't resist them, and it's an issue. But I was good, as you will have seen. I tried everything on and made some, what I thought were quite conscientious decisions in my purchases, so I'll show you everything. The first thing that I picked up was this pair of black skinny jeans. I've already rolled them up to try them on. These are called the Super Skinny Fit, and I got them in a size 32, and they do seem to be true to size. I like to think that I'm a 32 waist. And these were down from €24.99 to €12. I thought that was a really good price, and I just love the way these fit. They've got quite a lot of stretch in them. And I know I've got my black Levi's recently, but these are a bit tighter and I think a bit more formal. They look quite smart, so I could wear those of an evening. I picked up this sleeveless vest. This has a slogan on it that says tropical and a kind of leaf stroke flower design on it, and yeah, I just thought that was really cool. It's black, so it looks slightly grungy, and it's slightly long line, which isn't something that I usually wear, long line stuff, but I thought for a top like this it's quite nice. And this is basically for holidays really, and any trips where I'm going to be going to a pool and you just want to cover up if you want to like pop and get a drink or whatever. And this was €9.99 down to €4, so really good price. From their Conscious range, I picked up this Grandad neck t-shirt. It's kind of an off-whitey colour, and it's got really nice texture in the cotton. I've got this in a size small actually, and it's really quite big on me, so yeah, maybe go down a size with this one unless you want to wear it baggy. I actually thought I would wear this with this pair of trousers that I've got. I've never owned a white pair of trousers in my life. Have I? I've been to a white party before, but what did I wear on my bottom half? I think they were cream. So these are a skinny fit pair of, I guess they're like chinos. I've rolled them up a bit already. I've rolled that twice up, just to make them slightly cropped. I could have done with these in a size 33 waist. I ended up getting the 34 regular. The 32 was far too tight on me for these, but the 34 are a little bit on the baggy side, but I think they're okay. I kind of like the slightly oversized look with this, and I'm thinking I might wear this with the pale top, and I've picked up a new shirt in a charity shop that's kind of like safari style, so I'm hoping that's a look that's going to work, and I'm not going to look like crazy Grandad out of, what am I thinking of? These were €24.99 down to €10. The last thing that I got was from ASOS, and it's these cropped trousers. I pulled the tag off, so I can't tell you the full description of them, but I will link them down below. All of the items that I can find I will link down below for you if you want to get them. This I've got in a 32 waist and a regular leg. I found that the long leg was just looking a bit too long. These are this kind of beige colour, I guess, and they've got a navy blue stripe running down the side. got a pleated waistline, and they are button up. Okay, that's everything that I've got to show you. I will be back very soon with the IKEA haul, but I figured it might be a bit tricky to fit all of the IKEA items into my suitcase, so I've not been able to do that for you today. And I've also got a thrift haul coming up for you as well, where I'm going to show you the trainers that I still can't get over for £4. You're going to be impressed, I think. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you have a really brilliant Sunday, whatever you're up to, and I will be back with you in the next few days with all of those videos. Let me know in the comments if you want anything particular as well, and I'll try and get those shot for you. I'll add them to my new, very organised, trying to be very organised list of videos that I'm going to make. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I've got no tripod here. Will that do? We make that work? Okay, this isn't good. I've had to switch the air conditioning off. They're going to be sweating. That looks quite cool, at least. Yeah, it meant I had to do all of the things I'd planned to do that day at home throughout the night, and then the next day I had to have emergency last minute jabs because I still do injections for the rabies and all sorts. Don't want to be stroking any feral cats out here and then getting bitten. And anyway, what am I saying? What is it? Ooh, it's Toblerone.